Hi guys, I was just going through one of my holiday bags, the bags we take on holiday, and I found this, which is an IKEA timer, kitchen timer, that I modified for panorama use, and I haven't used it with one of these action cameras. So I've put my bracket on there, put one of my action cameras in there, and we'll give it a little run just to see how it goes. I used to use it with mobile phones sitting on top of it and running a time-lapse app on there, whereas this time we'll just run this well, without time-lapse, just the full-time or real-time video. I can always speed it up to give it a time-lapse effect. And I'll film it in 4K, which means I'll probably have to use Davinci Resolve to do the video editing. So we'll see what happens. That's just going to be a scan around the garden. Nothing exciting, unless we get dogs and cats suddenly run through or something like that. Thanks for watching. You'll find more information down in the video description. You might like to watch that video up there, and you might like to subscribe over there.